UBI, a recipe for ruin or a path to prosperity? Is universal basic income a utopian dream or an economic nightmare waiting to happen? Let's dissect the historical precedents and potential pitfalls. The fear is real. UBI could flood the market with cash, devaluing currency and triggering runaway inflation. Too much money chasing too few goods is a classic economic disaster. Are we prepared for the consequences? From the 1930s to the 1960s, vagrancy laws forced individuals to contribute to society. Idleness was a crime, punishable by fines, imprisonment, or forced labor. These laws, though harsh, ensured accountability. UBI lacks this crucial element of accountability. What happens when individuals choose leisure over labor, fueled by unconditional cash? The Alaskan dividend works because it supplements, not replaces, productive activity. To avoid economic collapse, UBI must be coupled with robust incentives and penalties. Those who contribute nothing should face consequences, ensuring they participate in the economy. We need to incentivize productivity, not subsidize idleness. Don't let UBI become a free pass to economic stagnation. Demand accountability from your policymakers. Research historical economic models and share your insights. Let's shape a UBI that empowers, not impoverishes.